The ACANII LED halo ring black housing projector headlights for the 2004 to 2008 Ford F150 present a compelling upgrade for truck enthusiasts seeking to enhance both functionality and aesthetics. These headlights are designed specifically for the Ford F150, ensuring a precise fit that integrates seamlessly with the vehicle's design. From a performance standpoint, the LED halo rings offer remarkable brightness and clarity, substantially improving nighttime visibility. The projector lens technology focuses the light beam for a more concentrated output, reducing glare and enhancing road safety. The black housing not only contributes to a sleek, modern look but also helps protect against dust and moisture, ensuring longevity in various weather conditions. Installation is relatively straightforward, with a plug-and-play design that allows for a quick swap with the factory headlights. This aspect will appeal to both seasoned mechanics and DIYers alike.